did ask a highway patrolman if there's a such thing as a speed
When he
limit.
stopped you?
No,
Oh.
just in my office.
Oh.
If there's a such thing as a speed limit on a ramp.
Oh.
And he said, well, I don't know how we'd actually clock you, but
Oh. That's
Good point.
interesting. Well, like this. With the little radar gun.
well,
Why
because
couldn't
you're
it work?
changing direction, it'd be hard to get a good reading.
Oh. Like they care about good reading. Oh, cut that out too.
Now you're doing a Camelot. You're
What?
driving in a lower gear so that it
Oh.
sounds louder. Because
I wasn't.
I would
but-
always drive in a lower gear, he said, to make it sound louder. I was like, no.
Yeah, he does.
He did when he drove it.
That's funny. Make it sound louder. You know, it's like going, it's already like a kettle drum and the cymbals going clang, clang, clang.
I gotta,
The only thing you need to be more obnoxious with this is just put on your bass,
I can do
volume
that.
10.
Well,
Without
you can't
me.
hear it over the, can't hear it over the exhaust anyway.
Can you hear the music?
Yeah, kind of. Actually, the best is when you put the noise canceling headphones on, but don't hook them to the radio, and then you can hear the radio. You're dangerous.
That sounds like I'm doing it all wrong.
That's what it's supposed to sound like.
Like I'm doing it all wrong?
No, the
Oh,
sound.
okay.
That's exactly what it sounds like.
All right, maybe we should switch drivers before we go into Biscuit Head.
You can park. Come on, you can park. It'll be really cool if you're in that dress, park, get out,
I get
walk
out.
up to get the biscuit and stuff.
Oh, time to make the donuts. My biscuit is ready.
You would be bad in this car because you're not aware of how fast you're going.
Yep.
And you write all the stuff about it being yellow and loud and squeaky.
Hello, policeman. Did you hear me
Hello,
coming?
Mr. Policeman.
Yeah. The only thing it can't do is tell it's coming by the smell.
It doesn't have smell-o-vision yet.
That has a lot of dark windows, doesn't it?
Yep.
I think
Overly
that's
tinted.
not allowed.
Florida or drug dealer.
That's so funny. Every once in a while, this makes a sound that I'm thinking the helicopter's right over us or a train is
That's the
coming.
differential making that noise.
Oh my shit! Look at that.
And we get to bypass that line because
Yeah. Okay.
I'm wondering if they tell me if my order is ready or not. Short car. Dr. T. Tempted to park back here, aren't you?
Yes, you read my mind. I know.